If you scroll back on that clip, you can actually see smoke pouring out of the bike when the engine shuts off. What ultimately happened was the compression got so low the engine just couldn't run anymore, and eventually the ring broke and just destroyed the cylinder, but it honestly needed it anyway because this bike was pretty clapped out. Also, the reeds went bad.
Where are you?
I tried to climb a hill after you and my bike didn't run.
Is that you I see? Can you see me? You see me?
I'm waving my...
Everything's messed up, so I'm gonna let my bike cool off and we're going back.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
One thing that really sucked about this and made it kind of sketchy is I'm out in the middle of the dunes with like very little water and only a little bit of food, and I got this blown up bike and it's a weekday and there's hardly anyone out to help us.
Can you come?
Eventually I was able to limp the bike back to the nearest exit, and my brother brought the truck and we just loaded it up and got out of there clean.